In today's relationship health check, small miscommunications stack up, creating distance before a single argument erupts. The video follows a couple negotiating a calendar clash, showing how one clear sentence and a reflective pause can reset tone. It also teaches emotional intelligence by numbing feelings without judgment, opening doors to repair after tense exchanges. Practical tips include a 2-minute cooling window, I statements, and a tiny daily ritual that reconnects. When these tiny repairs become habits, they protect intimacy and transform conflicts into opportunities for growth.